Hey guys, what's going on? James here back with the Ecom Insiders, and today I want to talk to you guys about getting your first sale. So lately I've been making a lot of videos sort of on here's how I got to my first 100k a month, or here's how I did 50k in 8 days. And I think a lot of you guys, I see it in the comments say, well look, that's cool, but I can't get my first sale. I need that first boost. I need to get them first few sales through the door to realize that this stuff works, this stuff is possible. So that's what I want to do today. That's what today's video is going to be about, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to go out there and get your very first sales. I know it can be daunting, I know it can be tough, and when you're sort of spending a little bit of money and you're not getting anything back, it kind of sucks. So I want to show you guys sort of a proven way to go out there and get sales. There might not be huge products that you're going to smash out of the park and do 7 figures with, but these products will bring you in sales, and it will give you a mindset boost, and it will give you a lift to go out there and work harder to really generate a 6-figure store or a 7-figure store even. So stay tuned. If you do want to win a copy of Ecom Domination, hit that subscribe button, join the notification squad, drop a comment down below and hit that like button if you want more videos like this as well. But let's jump into it and get started on how you can go out there and actually make your very first sale in your Shopify store. Okay, so when a lot of people get started, I think they're going out there and a lot of guys are trying to find that next hot thing or find something brand new that no one's ever advertised before. And that's cool, and that's really what we do, and that's what we try and do to hit them massive products, them 7-figure products and 6-figure products. You kind of have to get on them first, and you have to be the first on them. And that's fine whenever you've got sort of some experience, you know what you're doing, you know how to scale. But if you've never got your first sale, going after them personally, I would say is not the correct decision, because you want something that's proven to work. So what I like to do is use apps such as, so I'm going to list them off, check these out, I'll maybe put some screenshots on the screen here, but Shopify, Ecom Inspector, and just your Facebook newsfeed. So Shopify or Shopify and Ecom Inspector are going to allow you to see trending stores, the biggest stores that in Shopify right now, so you're going to see the biggest numbers. Lots of them are dropshipping stores, especially on Shopify. If you look up like sugar and cotton, it's going to give you a selection of similar stores which you want to look at, and when you look at them similar stores, just go through them all and then you can see their best sellers. What you want to do is literally just copy these best selling products. Now again, as I said before, you're not going to make 6 or 7 figures off these. Chances are, if these big stores are doing massive numbers with it right now, they're kind of dominating the market. It's kind of, they've got control of it, and they're pushing it hard. But that does not mean that you can't get a little corner of that pie. And if you've never made a sale before, getting a little corner of that pie is much better than getting nothing and blowing all your money over here on products that you don't have a clue are working. So if a product is currently working on Facebook, you can actually go ahead and you can take a chunk of that. And if that can drive you $1,000 in sales at 20% profit, well, there's an extra $200 you made this week. And you find another 2 of them products, now you're making $600 a week. And when you've got $600 a week coming in from your dropshipping store, then you start to realize, oh, okay, this is possible. Then you get less sort of scared to put a little bit of money into Facebook advertising. You get more comfortable. You learn a ton along the way while you're fulfilling orders, dealing with suppliers, sourcing more products, and you're going to learn a lot that way. But the main thing is really where I think a lot of people get stuck, a lot of people have a lot of problems with, is spending money on something that they don't know. They haven't seen it work for them. And that's the biggest thing that you need, is to see that it works for you. And it was the big leap for me was when I made my first sale. When I seen that come in on my phone, it literally kind of changes your life. It changes your mindset. When you make your first dollar online, it changes your perception of online business, and you go from that sort of skepticism to this doesn't really work to, oh shit, this works. I've just got to nail it and get it 100% right. And then I can move forward and make a ton more money. So what you want to do is find them trending products, find them products that are already winning, and then go out there and replicate them. And I think a lot of people, don't like copying and don't like doing this, but if you're in these very first stages, that is the easiest way. And everyone wants an easy way to make money, and that's it. So that's what you want to do. Shopify, you're going to be able to get them similar stores. go in, find their best-selling products, and you can actually see their current best-selling products as well, which makes it much easier. I've literally found some sort of 50, 60K products that have done for me, and I'm sure they did maybe hundreds of thousands for those guys. But look, I'm happy to take 60 grand, take a cut of that, and make my 10 or 20 grand profit off that as well. You know, that is totally fine with me. And it just allows you to sort of stack. So we're always looking for them 6 and 7 figure products that we can do huge numbers with, but we're always also stacking. If we see a product that's starting to trend or has, you know, been trending for a couple of weeks, we'll try it as well, and it might actually work for us. It might work really well for us, and we're going to make some money. But I can guarantee you that you're going to make sales much quicker this way. And maybe you can't even afford Ecom Inspector. Maybe you can't afford Shopify. I think they do both have free trials, so check them out. And I'll put a link to Ecom Inspector down below. It is an affiliate link for me, so if you check that out, that is awesome as well. But the other thing is just using your Facebook newsfeed. Just if you're in like a specific niche, or maybe you're just searching for like gadgets, use the search function in your Facebook newsfeed. Go ahead and search. Find the trending posts in that, and any ads that you see in your feed, click on them. Go in there, add to cart. That puts you in audiences similar to what other stores are going to advertise to, and then you'll end up seeing, like my feed, if I go on my phone right now, tons of it is Shopify stores, and I'm always clicking in them. I'm seeing what they're using in their descriptions. I'm seeing what sort of apps they're using, and I'm always looking. I'm always learning from that. But if you go into my saved list, so let me actually see if I can open up my saved list on Facebook here. It is full of products. So I'll send this over to my, put them in a spreadsheet, send them over to my VA, and they'll actually launch them. So let's see. So if you take a look here, there's a couple of different videos, but most of these down the right hand side, they're all products and potential products that I'll go and test that other people are having success with. And you know, 1 in 3 of them I will have a profitable product, and you want to go out there and really nail them too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please go out and try this. Let me know in the comments how it's working. I've been getting so many testimonials recently just from the YouTube videos alone, and then Ecom Insiders or Ecom Domination as well. We've had so many success students over Christmas, people killing it in Q4. One of the guys just got a new house, which is amazing. He moved out from his mom and dad into him and his girlfriend, and got a new house through dropshipping. It is possible, guys. It can really be done. You just have to put the work in. But this is by far, I'd say, the easiest way to go out there and get your first sales without having to worry about spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars that potentially you don't know. If you're going out there and testing a product that you have no idea whether it works or whether it doesn't, your chances are a lot lower than testing a product that is already working on Facebook, and you go ahead and you test it, and it might actually kill it for you. It might do really well. But I would say this is the best way for you guys to go out there and get started. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you did. Join the notification squad, join the family, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you do want to grab Ecom Domination, there's a link in the description as well. You can check it out there. It's a full training program to take you from 0 to hero with dropshipping, and that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.